Life can be difficult, and it's easy to get bogged
down by negative thoughts and worries.
However, did you know that cultivating the
Habit of thinking optimistically can have
a tremendous impact on your life? Optimistic thinking is about seeing the positive side of situations, even in the midst of challenges. Let's look at some of the benefits of optimistic thinking. First, optimistic thinking can help you face challenges with a positive mindset. When you believe that you can overcome obstacles,
you are more likely to act and persist in the face of adversity.
this can lead to more success and achievement in both personal and professional life.
Second, optimistic thinking can increase your self-esteem and confidence.
When you focus on your strengths and achievements, rather than your weaknesses and failures, you build a more positive self-image. This can help you feel more confident in your abilities and more resilient to challenges.
Third, optimistic thinking can improve your relationships with others. When you have a positive outlook on life, you are more likely to see the good in others and approach interactions with compassion and understanding.
This can lead to deeper connections and more fulfilling relationships with friends, family, and co-workers. Lastly, optimistic thinking can improve
Your overall well-being.
Studies have shown that people who think positively tend to have lower levels of stress and anxiety, better physical health, and a greater sense of life satisfaction. So if you want to experience the many benefits of thinking optimistically,
Start by cultivating the habit of positive self-talk.
focus on your strengths, remind yourself of past successes, and face challenges with an optimistic attitude. With time and practice, you can train your
Brain to see the good in life and live more optimistically and happily.